back to another YouTube video. I'm Amali for those of you who don't know me, and today I thought I'd film a bit of a day in my life because this afternoon I have a show jumping lesson on being at 4, and then during the middle of the day I really need to go to Horseland, but I don't think Mum's keen on going. And then this morning I was going to ride a client's horse, but it's currently pouring with rain, and I do ride in the rain, but it's very wet, and this horse needs working on its canter transitions, and I can't really canter when it's this wet, so I'm going to work with Spirit. Also, I'd like to show you Spirit's new brow band, and it's from Perfect Brow Bands, and it's very nice, and I love it so much. He's used it once, and it fits him perfectly, and so I'm very happy with how awesome this is. So head over to Perfect Brow Bands to order yourself one. Today my outfit is my Hampton Harlow yellow shirt. For those of you who don't know, I'm an ambassador for Hampton Harlow, so also head over to Hampton Harlow to order yourself a shirt and use code AMALI15 for 15% off. And I'm also wearing my Giddy Up Girl breeches. I love these breeches so much, I wear them 24/7. So also head over to Giddy Up Girl and order yourself. Okay, so it is currently just sprinkling, and I've got Mr. Fatty here, Spirit, all ready with his little braid and my scrunchie to go for, I think we'll just go for like a little walk and just get some exercise into him, just because it's a bit wet and I don't really want to do too much. So yeah, here we go. And of course it starts raining when I put the umbrella back. So annoying. Good boy. So I thought while I was bored I'd get my clothes all ready for my lesson this afternoon. So I'm going to be wearing my new Citron set. So I'm going to wear my grey breeches, which I have no clue where they're from, my Lemire unicorn socks, my bonnet's in my room, and then my Lemire base layer. Hey guys, so we didn't end up going to Horseland, but we ended up going grocery shopping, and now I'm just getting Bing ready for our lesson. It's not at home, it's just, I thought I'd give him a bit of a groom because he's a bit gross. So, yeah. And he wants more treats. So he's just going to eat some hay while I stand here and give him a brush. So, and then we'll be leaving for our lesson. Okay, so I've just finished grooming Bing, and he was getting really agitated by like a fly or something. Don't know what it was. I think it was flies, and he's never gotten like agitated by flies like that before. So I just gave him a fly spray. Hey, do you want one more treat? You want a treat? Here you go. Yeah? Alright, so I think now we're going to get him in the float, and then we'll head off to my lesson. jumping set and a dressage set. Okay, so let's start the lesson now.
There you go. Bing likes it all.
Okay, so I just finished my lesson and Bing was amazing. We only jumped about 70 to 80 because it was about all 80. But Bing was getting his treat because he was such a good boy. We had a few moments where he just kind of I just kind of didn't commit to the right striding, so it kind of, got a bit messy. But at one of the jumps, he almost tumbled over, we thought he was going to flip over, but he didn't. He was a good boy, and so he's definitely saved. He definitely saved me a lot. He's such a good boy. He always saves me when I give him bad distances. But he was a very good boy. Weren't you, buddy? And we're just gonna untack now, and then we'll get him on the float and head home. Well, I think we'll hose him off first. But yeah, great lesson today. All ready. I'm dirty. He's steaming. I don't know if you can see, but steaming. So I've decided I'm not going to boot him up because it's hot. He's hot. It's not hot, as you can tell. I'm wearing 2 jumpers. But yeah, he's very hot and he's sweaty and steamy. I just, as you saw, hosed him down. But he's still pretty hot. He's wanting treats and he already had them all and he knows that. Good boy. Hey, good boy. Okay, so now we are heading home, and when we get home we have to feed the horses. So that is, how many horses do we have to feed?
11, 12, 14.
14 horses that we have to feed.
15 if you count Trinity.
Well, yeah, 15 if you count the foal, but she doesn't get fed. So it might seem like a lot, but it really doesn't take that long. The horses are ready to be fed. And Bing is ready to come off the float. So it is dark-ish, and I'm just heading out to let all the horses out, and then I have to do stuff with the guinea pigs. I have to fill up their water and clean the cage. So here we go. So I've just finished letting the horses out. Oh, lost the song in the mud. Would you believe that? Now I'm going to go and clean the guinea pig cage out. So we probably to them. So this one here is Pickles, and he is my little brothers. And then we've got, they're a little bit shy. This is Milo. These are my other little brothers. And this is Oreo, who is my little sisters. And we don't have toys for them, so they're using a stable, horse slope, and a log. And then we've got one more in here. That's Pringle, and he's the tiniest. He's really small. So, yeah, those are our guinea pigs. Come on, you gotta hop out, I gotta fix it. Oh, sorry. So they've got quite a bit of food, but I'll top it up. They've got cabbage in here, and they've got a little bit of hay, but they don't really need much. As you can see, the water's pretty murky, and that's one day that they have not, these water have been in here. So they get it really dirty quickly. So let's go empty this. Alrighty, so I'm going to finish the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I'm going to try and get in the habit of posting once a week. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram, which is Amali_T_venting. And if you have any video suggestions, just leave them down in the comments. So yeah, thank you very much for watching today's video, and I'll see you next week.